Tired of your shared videos looking choppy and sounding terrible in Webex? You know the drill. You hit share, everyone says it's lagging, or worse, there's no audio at all. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know the exact settings to get buttery smooth, high-quality video playback with crystal clear audio. Let's fix this. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple steps to optimize your video sharing, from signing in to stopping the share. No fluff, just the settings that actually work. So let's start with the first step, signing in to your Webex account. Go ahead and open up Webex and log in with your credentials. This is just getting us in the door. Once you're signed in, you'll want to start or join your meeting. Click that big green button for a new meeting or hop into one that's already on your calendar. Either way works. Now here's where we get to the good stuff. Once you're inside the meeting, locate the share button at the bottom of your screen. It usually looks like a little rectangle with an arrow pointing up. Give that a click. After you click share, a new window is going to pop up. It might take a second or two to load, so just hang tight. This is the window where all the magic happens. And here's the really important part, the step that most people miss. Look for a drop-down menu or a section labeled Optimization. By default, it might be set to something generic, like Automatic. You need to change it to Optimize for Motion and Video. This tells Webex, hey, I'm about to share something that moves, so don't compress it into a slideshow. I've tested this dozens of times, and this single setting is the difference between a video that looks like a flip book and one that looks smooth as silk. Once you've selected that optimization, go ahead and click the share button again. Yes, you click share twice, once to open the menu and once to confirm your choice. Now, depending on your system and browser, you might see a prompt asking how you want to share. If you're playing the video from a dedicated video player like VLC or Windows Media Player, choose the Window tab. If you're playing it directly in your browser, like from YouTube or a streaming site, choose the Chrome tab option. This is important because sharing the wrong source can cause flickering or black screens. Next, select the specific window or browser tab that contains your video. Make sure you pick the right one, especially if you have a bunch of tabs open. Double-check the preview thumbnail if you see one. Now for the audio. If you want your participants to hear the video sound, check the box that says Also Share System Audio. This is optional, but if you skip it, your video will be a silent movie, and nobody wants that. So unless you're sharing a video that's purely visual, go ahead and enable that. With everything set, click the share button one last time. You'll see a colored border appear around your shared content, confirming it's live. Now go ahead and play your video. Hit that play button and watch as your participants experience smooth, optimized playback with synchronized audio. No lag, no stuttering, no dropped frames. This is exactly what that Optimize for Motion setting was designed for. When you're finished, just click the Stop Sharing button at the bottom of your screen. It's usually a red icon or a button that says Stop Sharing. And that's it. You're done. So, the next time you need to share a video in Webex, remember that optimization setting. It's not hidden or complicated, but it makes all the difference. You now have the exact workflow to share video like a pro. Thanks for following along, and I'll see you in the next one.